how to delete an emo account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. So if you want to permanently delete an emo account, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can do this. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to delete an emo account, just go ahead and open up the emo from your device, and from the home page, go and tap on this profile icon at the top left. Now from the profile, simply go and tap on the settings option, and inside the settings you'll get to see the option account and security. You just need to tap on account and security. Inside this one you'll get to see the option delete emo account. You just need to go ahead and tap on these, and you'll get to see apply to delete. You just need to tap on apply to delete, and you can select the reason why you are deleting your account. Let's say I'm going to select one of these from here, and then simply go and tap on continue to delete. You just need to enter the phone number right over here and go and tap on next, and then read all these from here and wait some time. It will take a few seconds, and then simply go and tap on agree and delete, and tap on delete, and your account will be immediately deleted from your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.